Ghanaian or Nigerian, or you have someone living in Ghana, make sure you share this video. Most importantly, to the president of Ghana and Mr. Hassan, who is protesting for presidential election. This protest one at the sea today being 19th of July. Not the one at the Tikamo.
Ghanaian, you all know that very soon, your children will be used for money ritual. It has started because your traditional ruler or whatever have give that Igbo man land to build the temple. So very soon your children will be used for money ritual. There is no big thing about it. Just have it in mind. Very soon your children will be used for money ritual. The rate of blood money in Ghana, you guys will see it. Don't worry.
Ghanaians and Nigerians don't they threaten themselves. Say they go buy themselves for inside this protest. Please, Mr. President of Ghana, make sure you find solution. Make Nigerians and Ghana not go buy themselves. If anything happen, now you, all Africans will blame because you are the president of Ghana. Special regard to Mr. Hassan, who is contesting. Sir, talk to Ghanaians. The way this matter they go now. Make Nigeria and Ghana not go do contact fool themselves. Even some of them say no, they carry contact to come out. They try to say they will buy themselves. Please, if you are watching this video, save somebody, save somebody. Make sure you share this video to get to the Ghanaians, the Nigerians, your brothers in Ghana, your sisters in Ghana. Most importantly, to the president of Ghana. Please, Africa is one, Nigeria and Ghana are one. We don't need to kill ourselves over kingship and all that. Please.
There's no single protest in Ghana. We're 100% safe. Nobody came here for any protest. It's all about internet-generated stories, AI. So I want to assure you people, don't panic. The government of Ghana, they are in control of the security of us, the Nigerians that live in Ghana.
You see, there's no protest anywhere that he and the Ghana government have settled the matter. So, to Ghana people, whoa.
Baba demonstration. Nigeria must go. What I say, Yababi do Hano. I'm on for Baba. We say, independent also. And I did TikTok, you social media. Nigeria must go. Nigeria is any new Yabedu. Is the same with the Namunia. What I say? Inti ya chemu ya baby do ya chemu ya be sha safe independence bibi be ko ne de ko what ya say inti so pese ya sha se answer na hu na oba join no problem ba ya pese me kire say wa wo hwe me bia ye ni ya baby do a amanfo aba ma susu ya baby do inti mu pie mra nye demonstration because and 19 ambassador be hard asese de Ghana for kasa ni amunia musuru bi what ya say people to send ko konen once na bi. What I say, wekum schedule, wetu nakuma, wekum oba, wetu nasi, wekum bema, wetu neshwa. One sad life no, yempe. And I feel fraud, scam. What fraud you be, who scam you be? What I say, sad life no yempe, yempe, 419, black market, kalabuli. Sanya manyamani ni yempe. And I feel circle kukura, madam for your promo circle. What I say, omu muja, omu tonton to tonyama. And so na najua fuma munja, tasma munja ashe. Na de bia mo de man for. And so omu chia stock chase esa na mu go mejo the pressure to omu so. Like I say. And ye Ghana from Kwani Empe Nigeria for us in Kenya, South Africa. Aye den e ka hu bi. What I say. Senka usuban ya ye beje what na. What I say. Say wa man for bebre amu free baby aye ni omo take cable. And so mo kwa mo ba.
A message to all Nigerians. A message to all Nigerians. Before 1st August, leave the country Ghana. Before 1st August, leave the country Ghana.
Inti ya ejuma eni ya so amusamso ba be hello na chese mu bi den adebone ye den ba Ghana
If Ghanaian youth know that the best thing they can do to support their government that is working so hard to make the country good for them is going in protest over nothing, I'm urging our Nigerian brothers to acknowledge their citizen rights and give them chance that day. That day of protest, you Nigerian man, rest. If you had a shop in Ghana, lock the shop. And I'm urging all the transporters so that something may not happen. And I'm urging all the private car owners, you can park your car. Thank God that day is Saturday. Of course, you can rest one day. So let's see what they are intent to gain over the protest. Because this whole issue, from my own understanding, is being sponsored not in favor of Ghanaians. Because there is nobody who loves your country that will tell you to even do protest for one day. This thing, they are just testing your energy, how you can react towards things ahead of time. But you never know. Let me tell you something. Nigerian people made the same mistake 2015. Where we the protest, they tell us no protest, no. We did until we sow the seed of destruction in our country without us knowing it. Today, my brother, the rest is a story. Because you see all these things that is happening. You hear about Fulani men, you hear about banditry, you hear about all this other Boko Haram. My brother, is during the protest that is going on. That is when the enemy have opportunity to create all these terrorist organizations. Ghanaians, have sense. Have sense. I know that you guys are very peaceful and law-abiding citizens. Don't allow anything that will jeopardize that peace. Don't allow anything. Because your president is doing every single thing to make sure that life is better for everybody who is in Ghana, both the citizens and the foreigners. Ghanaian citizens, please, I'm begging all of you, please, do things that is beneficial to you and your country. Yes! Igbo king, Igbo that. My brother, it shouldn't be the thing that will lead you into protesting. And for my Nigerian brothers, you rest that day. Rest that day. After the day, if it continues, good and fine. If it don't continue, good and fine. But let love lead. There is nothing, as I used to say, there is nothing you can gamble with peace. Because peace is the paramount. Thank you for watching. And share this video, let it reach everybody. Because I will see some Nigerian people that the day of protest, they will come and join protest. You dey crazy, you be Ghanaian. Eh? You be Ghana man. You don't be Ghana man. Allow Ghana to do their things in their own way. Allow them. Because this is their country. Allow them to do it the way they want to do it. And you, the Nigerian man, you own a business and you have every other. That day is the day of protest. Take chicken for your shop. If you can take your phones home, you can try and do that. Allow people to do their protest in peace. Because from what I'm seeing, this kind of a thing is not for the benefit of the Nigerians and the Ghanaians, or even everybody in the country. Let love lead. There is nothing you can gamble with peace. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate. This is MCOB. You can like and follow. Share this to reach wide audience so that everybody may have information of what is going on. So that people may not caught unaware and they will be a victim of circumstances, which is not good for any reason. Thank you for watching and share this video. One love. We love Ghana. And Ghana love Nigerians. It's just the enemy of both of us are trying to create this bond of hatred, and it shouldn't be.
Hassan Ayariga, Ghana youth in Tawachi, what a corner okono, a man penny to Ibo Nia or friend who useless king, Pasiasma Udin, a man penny, Emiano, and penny for a Ghana in Emiomano. Ghana media, meaning some useless, sir. Some media stations in Ghana, you are useless and bogus. As same way about because you are anyway, yes, sex trafficking or the shower kidnappers, in our movie. Obianka Henry the Hasayariga, the youth of Ghana at Tawachi. Any Anamotona Utuno, the Tawachipa and a demonstration is a basso because you say, Oman Penino, on Ghana form, Oman Penino, Ghana form a Tuabamano. On defending a constitution, Grand One in Ghana form, it is it take the laws into our hands. Here, demonstration, shy said. Nekotia me so come as into a demonstration. You will be found obey, The Ghana man or to Abama or no concern and your concern. As some I can and found. And then no crowd will pet.
Ghanaian, you all know that very soon, your children will be used for money ritual. It has started. Because your traditional ruler or whatever have give that Iboma land to build the temple. So very soon your children will be used for money ritual. There is no big thing about it. Just have it in mind. Very soon your children will be used for money ritual. The rate of blood money in Ghana, you guys will see it. Don't worry.
I was here, media confire the red and white by the king of Christianity. Says I'm watching baby be a media. I won't say the beer confire and I'm a catcher say, Many busimka. Me a so comfort. And I'm here with some bra for comfort. And I'm yes a bit multi comfort. I said that in Hano. Confire me to me be any as me on contacting. Me no could get that. Me ye comfort and necessarily you confire. You be a free Cynthia me fly home. And then you have a flabber for no mudinko. We any problem kutiana pa. A ya bofo be the dinner chi. Na bofo no dinner chin where un bofo na quine. A man could eat and famano. And then there may be a ya by phone and the any power. Ya na ya won ni bebrebe ti ko hia ni pa bi. Wo hu na no apenas wetim di nhirama no. Hu bi ti ko hia wo bi. Wo hu na no atan wetim di niam abone ye de so ano. Ene de wo hwe me. Baby a me asabe maso aside kwabna. Esu agemasu. Ene sabe eso kuntunkuni ho. Wo hwe baby a me giran ya bofo kira maso simachi pa. Bia nim kira maso do kira masite. Mameka se me kire ni nkoma kakra bi wa. Fa number ne go screen ase no. E brother ni kwada fiada ne kwesi ada na mtrase yesu sunuma. Brother sister ama me a wo hwe me papa wo hwe me. U face problem wa abrabom. Ene ma nkoye mfama. Awale sem nkoye. Adwuma sem nkoye. Sikasem nkoye. Sabe wotare na awai. Wo chechira ne asane. Brother, wo nya sunsumu background. Me bisa say sunsum be na kuma e wa abrabom. Debia na me kase sun abrabona yeboni wo spiritual ye man of physical. Wo mu na bo abrabo wo spiritual no. O mu na physical wo mabrabo ne me koye fam o mu. O ka se papa kwa mo te ya papa despite mo. Canada Japan se wo mu ni sunsumu background ke se ko ma diye o. Kwa me cheda mo. Yes, a woman is soon background of comedy. Obia no beka na hinta some de adi ade a chile no. Mpenifo so what fa kwa what wade so. Nyame mo. Nyame nta obia. E denti na wo se nyame mo nyame ntimi mo awo. E nyame ma wo message. Wasam na di tu na nim no a chire wa kwanchire. Woni aso ntino. On se wo hu de wo ye. Ma meka se mi chire. Ensate anyina nyepe. Me yobia me yesunsumni mani ko akiri ahun bebrebe na mete wo voice ahun bebrebe na me hu wo enti baabi a woni nam no baabi a wo pa wo problem no se bi wo pa no solve no nipa kro woni ani enti ne man ko yemfa mo ma me gazi me chiro wa ba wi ase wo se bosum enim wa de bo nipa bosum bo nipa na se bo asa na bra wa na ka kire wo eya kristofo atoro ne adada kontompo ani ye de adada mo eti munu konfo a munu se konfo ya atanta de ma menka se binchiro entuma agokura no eto de hiama ma de so yaduani di enti boso wanya atanta de wate u problem na wona mu no o face problem wa wale semu a fa me number de frame e bia na was spiritual marriage no ya wade da ni wadi a woda oba ba yi ni wadi di a kirewo ani ya wade woda o ma yi ni wadi nya de enkirewo spiritual marriage ni ye wo mienu ba ku meska de hinta wona o ma wu mu woda wono ma beda o na ma wudi anda de yi wo ma wu mu no ono na sabe okwa awade enye wo ye adwuma enye sika ntimi ntira wonsem wo be de timi afiri sa problem ni fa number na frɛ confirm ya was spiritual items o hwɛ me wutie me ne confirm aka che wo say there is no double money in one ba ye wasika kwankyere wo wo hwɛ me no Gwan kasabeti ma command sika. Eni kwazo bi command sika de ma. Musi dipa ne twa sika so nyame na eche. Enti se be bone be na de nyame so ma onye sika. Wa cheki. Eye nipa bi na mpese obedi ana wa ko tie wo sunsun. Bela na se sunsun ko ye mpaja ni mfiri wo. Sunsun ba bi bia wo sika hye bia. Na nanu be kwa akwaje di ama. Eti wa na be fre sika se kudimra la jamra. Safa dollars, pounds, euros. Fa na o country be na so. Mami ka se mi chiro for the water so bolo kenke entimi command sika tie ne ye obi akwatia de wachi wo kra no achiwade ade aka no obeda de for the water akọ ohoro wo kra na achiwade ye wa akwanche wo wa se ye komfo ya wo ba mi fia aha ya akwanche papa fie anantwie enwan nkraman emponche enkokọ emro noma obi ane ne kra obi ane ne susu fa number na frɛ komfo ya Konfa ya mapesi kasa minya. Konfa ya wababi aba mabrabo ma noko. Bema bi aba mabrabo ma noko. Papa me ton ne ma ye nto. Enyama nyina fa akoma me. Papa baby obi abewura bi adani je baba mi wura na da wura wapi. Papa mi tiye me ya. Papa nya me nan adecha me kon, adecha me nsa. Hey, fana ma ne free the great one. So ni mbofo kira mai. Woni mbofo amfafiri. Ombe ye adwuma ne kama na omdi ama. Aha. Enyama bi akote wosusum bi ama abraba ya bisi basade ama no. Aha ye dane no. Shabre ni krabe ne Nyankopon de ma wo no. Nyame amfo wa ma se be ye kaya yo. Debi wo be kwatre UK, wo kwatre Canada. Bia ne Nyankopon se mentu kwa na wo ye de wo Ghana. Esu wenyu obi am na anya bisa mo nti wo kwatre UK nti wo bre. Enyama bi wa ya na nye abaifo na yi wo. Ye dependi ye nipa no. Ye hwehwe ye shabre ne ye krabe ne Nyankopon de ama ye. Aha. Yesu sumoduma. Ye was spiritual items wo. Fa number ne friends na na nema nkoyi ma ya bisa mame. Na na me ame pese mitimi command sika. Na na me de ka wo UK. Na na me de ka wo Canada. Na na me de metime twetwa me ho aka. Fra me. Na sunsun na otu sika se yempagya ni free so na wa command sika. Simple. Is a me mitimi fa me kan command sika mam. Ai. Mo de ni be che me mu a. Ono ni de wonu ni sunsun na be ya sika no. No de ache. By the way, wona nkasa betima komando sika akwankyere ye waduro bi wa ye fia ye friend boame ye friend ntwemra eno no ye de brewa wo de be kyerese de obesima yusu no etiwa na be komando sika emfa wo ni obi adwuma wo ya ye twa aka bosome wo a obetima komando sika fana ma na frɛ komfo ya ye was spiritual items wa spiritual items na ye kama sabi da bi akwafo ya na meka mesese wo be ye benfo ye haban ni nupira ya kaso obi ya benfo me komfo ya me oposum ni me nsuo ni mitumi ntino me ji me hutum se me ya benfo na tie ni e de na ma me benye obi di na wale sembai ye to odwan to na ntwe ye ya amamre ni nyina wie ye no se be ste na no se be awade ni wonya wunim de etira sunsum na obedi na chi no so ma ne ware no se wanfa sunsum no na chi wade ankasa nipa dua na wose musuo nko na wayi a watu sika atogu enipa na boka because komfo no ni aduro hey you kasa dura brother tumi nkasa aduro nkasa ye na ye tumi ne kasa mafo ne be kasa ma aduro na kasa ma tumi me nkasa ma me ho me kasa ma aduro it your spiritual items wa ye no oil ni bini ya wane semna wa ha oil ni bini sa oil we eye haban maako 42 ana ediye oil we na friend back to sender oil we na chiri baifo oil we na ma wunu se obi a woni ni wadwuma sebe odwo ho adwombo ni se wi su oil we ya na se nipa no nya baifo kwa na odwo ho adwombo ni a brother ohun wani ma wani wudi nkoma wantimi hwani mu da oil we be mo ohun nipa kro yo beje oil we bi fa kopete wadwuma beje oil we bi fa ko srasra wadwuma na wo ye no wabra boni ma be ko ye di amawo sunsun na woda no no obeda wonu meda biem sika na ntimi ntra so sika betra srem abraba ne nkoye no ene ma be koye di amawo asada to oyi we no oyi no ahaban maako 21 anya yi free 42 ni ana ye de ye soap semna sunsun no woda na akyerebe anini apramre ne ananka ne yapamo woda wontimi na ene ma nkoye mfama osuso da ye basabasa abraba no fema ni wo enema uye pipian dey be ma ne ba wo be bresa na okọ oba ne ba wo be bresa na okọ bra baji sopuri bi eye miesa ne nam oto oyo na no ato semna no ye woni nku wo eye febe krim no se wo ho a nipa bi ahia wo ho se wo ahia wo su nipa da woni bibi wo ye fe pa eso nam se wo yempa wo yenti no ye de kaka moto bibi ye de first bi de ahye wanim eti obi hunu wo hunu se wo ye kakai obi hunu wo ba wo hu beba bi hunu wo ba bema ni hunu wo ba ne se eye ne yonko bema enti otimi ni nkomo bra beto febe krim no wo pe umpe krim no na pese mfanya kaji ma de be yamo ya mfanya pons ma de be yamo ya mfanya powder ma de be yamo ya mfanya handkerchief ma de be yamo woni wo nipa no edi nkomo nyina no na de hanki no e fa woni kaji na wabo nipa ni din di ato dada powder na wabo nipa ni din di asra woni dada sabi nku na wabo nipa ni din di asra woni dada woni nipa ne ka asem nyese ne kra mo du te se de ya ana me kra ne kra bibia ni mi ho what was within seconds was me kra ma me hwe obi sika bi wo ho me de ato ama ma me fa ma he bra ni amwo na di yese wo ma yese nkwa ni yese ya to obi yese nkwa pa so oni to oni hips esesebe wo protocol bra ni mo sunsumu protocol ne mpie physical ba bia be wura bia wodi nhire ni yeye be de ebe free ho kwafo ya mesa ya de ya de be say cancer kidney diabetes hepatitis B stroke sebe obabi nu monsa obabi nu ri sebe obabi wo wa adwurim ka na dwure ho sebe enye wanya normal wo abrochire wo ba e wo abrochi akora ne nye normal fana ma ne frame ye be ya bisa asa ne ahwehwem eye ne shebre ne nkra ka finya mo ba e be ka kire enye ne nkra bia na okra finya mo ba na ye obi na aye ne saa so a na nanom be da na didi akire yen ne sebe ye de ho dry de e de aka kwanche bi wo anu aye brother sister aha eye comfort ya spiritual and herbal center e brother no ku de fiada ne kwesi ada na etrase yesu sumima number na gusku na say 0241 185804 0241 185804 0557 590395 0557 590395 mami no nka se mi ka mi wure yafi umunua ba bi hwe me pa wo hiaba e wo so de bato ne naso spiritual marriage na Mexica no e ma ba ma wa bra bom e ma wunya akono ma ne ba ma ne nawo and there was spiritual marriage bi wo ha the Mexica no wanya ne wadi nchiro enti wo be de nya ba ma na nawo enti wo sika na wanya ne bebrebe ni nyina no amafo gina kire se wo de wa wo de na akwaji sika enye no kure sika ye kurafo che obi sika wo ye opo no nko a ye be da be di sika nkomo enti se wo hwem ne se wo wo problem obi ka kire wo se bosom ma ba se bi wo ye yale ne abisa se bosom be na aka konfo wa fa achache ni da se bosom ma ba no ma yale ni a anko be kan yarefo akonfo wo pefefe akonfo wo fe papa akonfo ye ma ne ye mema ye wo fe papa enti mu obi na ada wadwene e ma won tra nyame fie se wo peba abra wunya aba tie ni ye to anamone bra eso si de kwa bra ne ma o mo fe pa aprofo atenten gram ene wuna sebe o mo chen ahemfo fana ba de guski na se ne frame wona wo hwe me ne wa wuti me wunya chinifu amfreme wunya chinifu ameto me spiritual items ni bi wunya chinifu amesesai emeto me spiritual items ni bi ba wunya chinifu abrabeto bi ne kohwe see and believe yes do ani be hu ana abedi hu adanse konfoya spiritual and herbal center minimi nso ni maboso honhum ni de timi ya na mabeka nyam na wo tumi no bi etumi ne kansa mafo eti mona mukase konfoya akasa do ase wo chese wo ne wo tumi mini tumi na tuma wo timi fa me so ye ana mba mbebo hu dawuru eti se wo se mini tumi a bra wo da wo cheme bra na bra be so ye de ehwe ya bia ya pro de ato pade so na so no wa fa ma ye ntimi nsu ye wotu fia mi ntimi nsu ye ma na mo wodi begira manim ko ade a mesie ama hukuma ye de adwo o so be cha kwa hukuma sa so ma so nkwata santima mpuru de ye kuna na na kora bi ya do ye kora hene na so si de kwa bra na mutu a edim djuma e bra da ne ukuada fia da ne kosiada ana ye trase yesus ma fana ma na frame mi ne nsem ne pere be se hia epia